Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show your fleet on the map in the Marine Traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then at the lists section, click on the My Fleet button. And then click on the settings button at the corner. And here's your fleet. Now just click on the three dots next to it. And then click on the Show on Map button. And as you can see, it appeared on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.